We would like to ask all spectators to welcome the FIFA President Infantino, Minister of Sports, Youth, and FIFA Council Member, HE, Sheikh Ahmad, appearing for the accompanied by members of the FIFA football family onto the stage.
سيدات والسادة، لا ونرحب مع برئيس الاتحاد الدولي لكرة القدم في